Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel Shells Hearts Art, and today I'll be doing a fabric haul video from CaliFabrics.com. All the fabrics that I'll be showing today are from fabrics that I purchased a few weeks ago when they were having their 20% off sale on most of their fabrics, so I took advantage of that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Also, I'll be doing a mini show and tell about a recent sewing make that I just completed, so I'll talk to y'all about that as well. So let's start. Okay, so the first thing I got from Cali Fabrics was this cute poly spandex print right here. It is so adorable with the pandas. I just love it so much, and I already have a yard of this in my fabric stash, so I got another yard so I can make some PJs. I think these would be so cute as pajamas. So yeah, that's one thing I got from Cali Fabrics. Next, I have this beautiful floral rayon. It is so pretty, and it also feels so good. Like, it's just so cooling to the body. I love rayon, I really do. Only thing about rayon is that it wrinkles a lot, but aside from that, I think the wrinkles are worth it because I truly love rayon, especially in the summertime. So yeah, it's a pretty floral print, and I think they have these in different colorways as well, but I opted for the lavender colorway. Okay, next I have this heavy, this bottom weight chambray. I think I'll probably sew some high-waisted shorts with this. It's a very sturdy chambray fabric. Yeah, it's a bottom weight, and I think this will be great for some shorts, some high-waisted shorts. I have a Vogue pattern in my pattern stash that I'm eyeing, and I think these will make cute shorts with them. Okay. Next, I have a few fabrics I bought for my mom as well. And these are poly spandex knits. As you can see, very, very colorful, very drapey, flowy, very cooling. So yeah, it's very colorful. Okay, I also have another one. Let me find it. This one is so pretty. It's so soft as well. And this is, I mean, they're perfect for summer. The colors, the print itself is very summer friendly. So yeah, I'm also a few dresses for my mom with this fabric. It's very, very pretty. Okay, here's another one. These are all poly spandex knits, and I think they're still available on the website. But yeah, here's another one. Just so summer friendly, so pretty. The print itself is so cute. Look at that. Okay, what else do I have to show you all? Let me get situated. Okay, and like I said, these fabrics are from were from their 20% off sale, so everything was 20% off. So it was pretty awesome. So I got some knits. So I actually bought some knit fabrics aside from that chambray. I also got this like dusty rose jersey knit right here, and I do plan to sew something up with this. I think it's very cute, like the color itself, and I think I need to incorporate more plain colors into my sewing makes because I do sometimes have issues matching up clothes because I tend to be drawn to very colorful floral prints, anything that just catches my eye. But then I realize sometimes the colorful floral prints aren't always the most wearable prints, so I think I need to incorporate more plain colors into my fabric stash and into my sewing make. So I did try to focus on getting plain colors. So this is a dusty rose jersey knit that I have right here. It has a lot of stretch to it. I think it'll make a cute like a soft knit wrap dress, or maybe a jumpsuit or a sweater. I just think, I mean, it's so versatile. It's knit. So yeah, next I have I think this is a French terry, but I got this as well. It's a light blue, baby blue. It's really pretty. I also think this will make like a cute knit wrap dress as well. Very, very soft. So yes, happy about that. And then I got some more rayon because I just can't let the rayon go. And I got it in this coral fabric, and it just feels so good. So yes, and I think this will make a beautiful dress. Like, I think this rayon as well will make a beautiful dress, but I also think this could make a really pretty jumpsuit, like a marigold, the marigold trousers slash jumpsuit pattern from Tilly and the Buttons. That will be cute as well. But I think this will be a cute dress. I'm not sure. I haven't really sewn that many plain dresses, so it would be something for me if I sewed a plain dress with this fabric. We shall see. Only time will tell. I'm such a random, I sew so randomly. One minute I'm like, I want to sew a dress, next minute I want to sew a jumpsuit. I'm just all over the place. So who knows what I'll sew with this stuff. So I want to show you all one of my recent makes. It's a little girl dress right here. It's so cute. I got this fabric from Hobby Lobby, and it has these cute little sheeps. Isn't that just so adorable? And then you just have bias binding. It's very, very simple. Extremely simple, actually. If you want to make something really quick and fast, I highly recommend this pattern. It has this cute detail in the back. It's like a wrap dress for a little girl. So cute. Let me show you all the pattern I used. So I used Butterick's pattern B5019. Very, very simple. And they claim that it is a fast and easy 2-hour pattern, which it actually is a very fast and easy 2-hour pattern. If you have some experience, I think you can whip this up really quickly. If you're a beginner, I think this will be a great project to start with. So yeah, highly recommend it. And then there's alternate variations. You have the view with the hat. I didn't sew the hat because I sewed this dress for my little cousin, and really she's not really a hat person in general. I'm not a hat person, but that doesn't mean anything. But yeah, if you want to sew the hat, it's really cute as well. And they also have like tops and bottoms. Very, very cute. Highly recommend it if you're trying to sew up something really, really fast. Also want to show you all what I'm currently working on, and I am working on Simplicity 8635. I've been debating, oh sorry, didn't mean to do that. Okay, I've been debating on what I wanted to sew this month, and I was going back and forth between the Marigold jumpsuit and this jumpsuit right here. I decided since it's summer, why not go ahead and sew this one, this view right here. I think this is view D. Yes, view D, but I'm actually sewing up the top from view B, which is the dress. So I'm using the view B top, and I'm using the shorts from view D. And I have the fabric to show you all. I've already started, but these are the remnants. It's right here, and it's 100% cotton, and it's similar to rayon. Obviously it's not because it's 100% cotton, but the feel of it is similar to rayon, and it's just so easy breezy. I definitely think once I complete this this romper, I'll get some use out of it, so we shall see. I think that since it's summer, I wanted to go ahead and take advantage of sewing a romper, a short jumpsuit romper. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like what you saw, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Shells Hearts Art. Again, have a nice day. Bye-bye.